Thingira-Ini wa Iregi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi nikuo atongoria ndini itiganite megwikinyitie oro undu umwe na atongoria Mahoya kiuteti itanya-ini ria gutabania mahoya ma kurehe kihonia bururi-ini wa Kenya kiumia kimwe thutha wa murimo wa COVID-19 kuhofaniria bururi.
Loss of interest to the things of God. Spiritual revival therefore precede
Mari othe atongoria ndini ngurani kuma Kristiano aithiramu a hindi maheirwo mweke wa gutabania mahoya ma mwanya ma guthaithanirira bururi.
Ya ibadi alladhina asrafu ala anfusihim la taqnatu min rahmatillah. That God is addressing humanity, all human beings, all kinds. Allah is asking them.
Ciugo cia kuumiriria Kenya nicio ikumaga tunu-ini twao mwihoko munene ari ni gukugia na kihonia kia ing'uki iria igumeire bururi ari hamwe na ngigi.
This is a moment where we need to gather and keep hope alive. Moments such as this sometimes dampen our aspirations and our hope, but we are gathered as a nation to declare the presence of the Lord, which gives us hope.
Kenya ni moririo kurumirira mitaratara iria iheanitwo kugiririria murimu wa COVID-19 no iguru ria mothe morio kuiga Ngai mbere kuona nowe ungirehe kihonia kia maya mothe.
Mahimizo mbalimbali, mahimizo makanisa tufanye nini, mahimizo misikiti tufanye nini, mahimizo dunia tufanye nini. Zaidi ya hayo, tunajua kuna wale wataalamu wanaendelea kutafuta madawa. But before then, utaki kuwa mgonjwa ukingojea dawa. Kwa hivyo kumbe sisi tuko hapa wakati ambao ni muhimu sana katika nchi yetu, ambapo kila mmoja wetu amealikwa kujipiga moyo konde na kujimulika.
So there are those who are saying that we should depend on science, not prayers. But I want to assure you that even science needs God.
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta uria utongoririe bururi mahoya-ini maya ni oriria Kenya guthii na mbere na kuhoera bururi ukorwo na thayo urumwe gutherema hamwe na uhonio.
And is just to continue to ask you, fellow Kenyans, wherever you may be, let us continue to pray for our country. Let us continue to pray for peace, to pray for unity, to pray for healing, to pray for reconciliation and understanding, and to pray for prosperity. And I am certain that our God is a listening God.
Mahoya maya megwikinyitio ni andu anini niguo kunyihia uingi wa andu maria matabanirio riri andu makiria ma 10,000 makuite kumana na murimu wa COVID-19 uria urathie na mbere gutamba kwa na ihenya makiria mabururi-ini maria magomeirwo niguo. Handu-ini ha Njata TV ritwa riakwa ni Njeri wa Njoroge.